Welcome, let me guess, you have tried this, that, and some other things but just could not get this to work. Well, hopefully, we can help you get the result you want. Open the run command, then enter. regedit, hit enter. In the registry editor, locate HKUI_local_machine. Select software. Select Windows NT expand current version. Select Win Login. Find or create a string called AutoAdmin Logon. Set its value to 1. Find or create a string called default username. Set its value to the domain name, then \, then your account name. Find or create a string called default password. Set its value to the password. Note that password expiry for this account should be disabled, if you prefer to do this once for the account. Lastly, if you own a domain, find or create a string called default domain name. Set its value to the domain name. And now you all set, restart the PC and watch the magic happen. Like, subscribe, blah blah, you know the drill. Well done and see you in the next one. Take care.